friends, what's up? I would like to talk to you about the current market situation. It is completely exquisite, because we have companies such as PayPal, such as Netflix, such as Meta reporting slight lower than expected earnings and getting killed for it. You know, like Meta, 800 billion market cap goes down almost 25%, so almost 200 billion in a single day flashed down the toilet. It is incredible. Why do I think that is happening? It's happening because the market is volatile. It is more volatile because it comes to the bear, in the bear mode, and it comes to the bear mode because of inflation and because of the interest rate hike. We don't know if they will have 3 rate hikes, 5 rate hikes, if they're going to be of 25 beeps or 50 beeps. We do not know that, but you know, right now market is pricing anywhere from 3 to 5 cuts of 25 beeps. If that's going to be more, you know, the market will be completely slaughtered once again. So what do I think we should do in the market like this? There are 2 strategies. So I would call it 80-20. For your 80%, what I'm doing is that I am buying, as we are in the bear markets, I'm buying more SPY, you know, S&P 500, and I'm buying more Tesla, Google, Microsoft, Apple types of stocks where they have super high growth, but in case they go into the Netflix, Meta, PayPal mode, they also will be completely destroyed. And in that case, you can even buy more of those companies. That's what I will do. So I keep a little cash aside to profit from moments like this. Number one. Number two, I'm getting from you know, if there is a little growth for such companies as Enphase or you know, Neo, Xpeng, I try to put them into bigger companies. I mean, that's what I did when Xpeng was like 50-55. I sold also, I mean, I sold a part, and that's what I did with Tesla when it was 1,200. I sold a little bit, like 10% of my holding, to basically buy a little bit of Microsoft, Facebook, not Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, Google, you know, Amazon, these types of stocks, to diversify a little bit. And in case you want your shares of your company to fall, it means you're investing in the right company. And such companies would be, as I already said, Google, Microsoft, and Tesla, and a little bit of SPY. If you really think that we're in the down market, you can invest in SPY, because then you will be down like 5-10% if the market goes down, and then you can basically sell SPY and get into something that felt much more like 20 or 30%, like for example Facebook or some other stocks. For example, Tesla, if it goes from 1,200 to 900 or 800, you might use this to as an opportunity to buy more, you know. Also, what you can do, you can keep the cash, but if the markets are not going down, you will miss the opportunity, number one, and number two, your cash will be completely slaughtered by the inflation, which is at a range of 7% right now. So basically, I would advise you to do the following. That's what I'm doing. I'm not advising, I'm just saying what I'm doing. Number one, I'm putting my money, or I'm keeping a stack of cash to be used, you know, deployed at any moment if there is So far we had 3 days like this where we had -10, like companies were completely slaughtered, you know, like -10%. And in those 3 days you would want to invest, and that's what I did. That's why I keep a little bit of cash, like 10% of my portfolio in cash, to always deploy in such red days. Number one. Number two, I keep a little bit of my cash in SPY to, if the market's gonna go up, I'm gonna, you know, I will not fall off follow the trend basically, and my SPY, in any case, I hope even more than it falls, that it goes up, because then I can buy more. Number two. Number three, try to diversify. I try to diversify into big cap players with big growth and huge cash flow, such as Microsoft, Google, Tesla, and Apple, that have huge price force, and that can put their price up more than inflation, or at least at inflation range, and they can profit from this inflation hike basically. So that's my 2 cents on it. If you have questions, put them in the comments. I will answer any question that you might have, and try to subscribe and follow my content. See you, my friends.